Hello, Anaya. Hello, Troy. Hi, Michaela.
Hey, Wise.
Hey. Hello, Nia. Hello, Sanaya. Hi, Jalen. Hello, Bryce. Hi, Ashton. Hello, Deshaun. Hey, Joey. What's going on?
What's up, Mr. Wise?
What's up? Why were they called the Dark Ages? Because there were a lot of knights. Hello, Amar. Hello, Jamari. Hello, Clement. Adriana wanted to say hello. Hello, Xavier. Hello, Gerald. What gets wetter the more it dries? A
A
towel.
towel.
Why aren't koalas considered bears? They don't have the right qualifications. Good morning, Gerald. Hello, Joey. What cartoon mouse walks on 2 feet? Mickey Mouse. What duck walks on 2 feet?
Donald Duck.
You might think Donald Duck, but all ducks walk on 2 feet.
Ow.
Want to hear a joke about a roof? The first one's on the house.
Oh, sorry, I just thought I had heard
Thank
that.
you. Thank you very much. Why don't teddy bears want to eat? Because they're always stuffed. Did you hear about the cheese factory that exploded in France? There was nothing left but debris. Where should you go in the room if you're feeling cold? The corner. They're usually 90 degrees.
That one's definitely a math one, isn't it?
I can never take my dog to the park because the ducks keep trying to bite him. I guess that's what I get for buying a purebred dog. Well, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, last night was a big night for me. Some of you may know, but I think Troy and Clement, you know, because you had me before. But Jamari, you might know. Michaela, you might know. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. And last night, my Cleveland Browns came up big against the Pittsburgh Steelers. And for the first time this century, the Browns won a playoff game. The last time they won a playoff game was before you were born in 1994. So last night was very exciting for me. Get that hat off, Joey. You know what? Wear that hat all you want. Your Steelers lost to my Browns. Your proud, proud Steelers lost to my Browns. Very proud of my Browns today.
I'm proud of you for being here.
Thank you, Adriana.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Mr. Wise. My Wi-Fi was kind of bad.
That's all right. I was just telling everybody that my Cleveland Browns won big last night over the Pittsburgh Steelers for the first playoff win that the Browns have ever had this century. Very exciting. Anyway, once again, you have until 1 week from Wednesday. That's 9 days. If you want to make up any past due assignments, I will not accept any past due assignments after the 20th because the semester ends 2 weeks from Wednesday, the 27th. So I'm going to give myself a full week to make sure I record all the work you did. All right. Also, please check your grade book and make sure that I gave you credit for all the work you've done thus far. If there are any assignments that you've done that I have not given you credit for, please make sure you email me to say that, hey, Weiss, I need my credit. Okay. Alrighty. So today we're going to talk about some rational expressions. Anybody else have some news? Like, did you get any college acceptances? Anybody recently? Any news along those lines? Any exciting news? Okay. Oh, that's exciting. Very cool, Nia. Maybe this business is taking off for you, and who knows, maybe that'll be your, maybe that'll be what you do for a living. That would be cool. Very cool. All right. First, fractions. Why, you know I hate fractions. I know you hate fractions. All right. I think that's a great idea. Music artist. That would be cool, Bernie. Just make sure that you, on your first album, I want you to email me a picture of like the album cover that you do for J-Lo or whoever it is. All right. So first of all, let's see how crazy easy this really is. Straight across, yep. Okay, thanks, Brunea. Correct, Devon, meaning okay, 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 7 is 28. And in general, there's your answer. Okay. Now I know you're thinking to yourself, yeah, Weiss, but it's not always going to be that easy, right? Well, okay, I know what you're saying, but let's just see. Let's see how painful it is. All right. So first
Mr.
of all,
Weiss.
yeah.
It's Deshaun.
Oh, yeah, I see.
And when you done with all this, can you put my credit in?
Yes, will you do me a favor and remind me
Yeah.
when I'm done with the lesson?
Yeah.
And say hello to Devon. He just said, hey.
To me?
I don't know, I guess. Look in the chat. Look in the chat.
Hi, Devon.
What do you mean, my slime? All right, anyway. Okay. All right, so here we can do something called canceling. Canceling, what's that? Here's what that is. If there's a number that goes into a number that's on the top and on the bottom, for example, 6 and 9. 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 goes into 9 3 times. That's called canceling, simplifying, okay? What about the 4 and the 10? Okay. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 10 5 times. And now we multiply across. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 5 is 15. Can I have a thumbs up if you're okay with that thus far? Nia, thank you. Bryce, Clement, Alan, Ashton, Michaela, thank you. Xavier, thank you. Roy, thank you. Devon, thank you. Joey, thank you. All right, next. What if it's divided by? Well, if it's divided by, here's what happens. We flip the second one. Maybe you've heard of something called keep, change, flip. Some people use that method, so to speak, right? Where when you divide with fractions, you keep the first one, you change the divide to multiply, and you flip the second fraction. Okay? And now you just multiply it. 3 times 5 is 15. 8 times 4 is 32. Done. Okay. What about here? Again, we're going to flip the second one. Okay. We have 9 over 14. Wait a second. 9 over 14 times 16 over 15. Now, cancel. What cancels? All right. The 9 and the 15 cancel. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. What about the 14 and the 16? 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 16 8 times. And now we multiply. 3 times 8 is 24. 7 times 5 is 35. There you go. Okay. Now, what about this? A over B divided by C over D. Don't panic. A over B times, all right, we flip the second one, right? Times D over C. And you're done. AD over BC. That's it. Easy. So now look at this. This next one is going to lead us into what we're doing today exactly. Once again, I'm going to flip this one. Okay. We have A over B times C over A. Now, does it make sense that the A's just completely cancel out? If you want, you could put a 1 here. You don't need it. And what are we left with? We're left with C over B. And that's the answer. Okay. Everyone still okay there? Can I have a thumbs up if we're still good? Nia, Clement, thank you. Joey, Deshaun, Ashton, Michaela, Xavier, thank you. Alan, thank you. Bryce, Sanaya, thank you. Devon, Roy, thank you. All right. Jamari, Sanaya, thank you. Okay, next case. Now, do not panic. This is going to look a lot harder than it is. We're going to simplify here. Okay. Now, here's how it works. Okay. First of all, we're going to flip the second one. We're going to factor. All right. So watch how easy this is. First of all, what times what makes x squared? X times x. What times what makes 6 that added together makes 5? Well, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now on the bottom, x times x makes x squared. What times what makes 12 that added together makes 7? 4, 3 times. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to factor this guy and move him to the top here. X times x is x squared. What times what makes 20 that added together makes 9? 4 times 5. And now I'm going to factor the bottom guy. X times x makes x squared. What times what makes 35 that added together makes 12? 7, 5. All right. Now we're going to cancel. What cancels? All right. How about this? The x plus 3's cancel. What else cancels? The x plus 5's cancel. What else cancels? The x plus 4's cancel. And what's left? What's left is x plus 2 over x plus 7. And you're done. Quite frankly, that was easy. Okay? And your assignment problems will pretty much all be easy today. So let's look at this one. Once again, we're going to flip the second one since we're dividing. And in your assignment today, you won't always be dividing. Sometimes you'll multiply. If it says multiply, you don't have to flip. Well, not only don't you not have to, but just don't flip if you're multiplying. I'm going to factor this top one over here. M times m is m squared. What times what makes positive 9 that added together makes negative 6? Negative 3 times negative 3. M times m makes m squared. What times what makes negative 8 that added together makes positive 2? Plus 4 minus 2. Times, I'm going to factor the bottom guy and put him on top. M times m is m squared. This m over here, that's 1m, right? What times what makes negative 6 that added together makes a positive 1? That's going to be positive 3 minus 2. And then m times m makes m squared, and plus 3 minus 3 makes minus 9. And now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what cancels? M plus 3, m plus 3. What else? And minus 3's cancel. What else? And minus 2's cancel. What's left? What's left is m minus 3 over m minus 4. Done. Now, I have a bunch more examples, but you know what? I think that you get it. So if you get it so far, would you give me another thumbs up, please? Everyone still good here? Devon, thank you. Bryce, thank you. Nia, thank you. Michaela, thank you. Clement, thank you. Jamari, thank you. Deshaun, thank you. That's it. Xavier, thank you. All right, let's take a look at what your assignment will look like. Okay. All right. No worries, Alan. I get technology issues. I get it. I get it. I do. I do. Okay. All right. X squared minus 4 over x minus 2 divided by x squared Okay, thanks, Xavier. Minus 2x minus 8 all over 3x to the third. Okay. So since it's divide, I'm going to flip this second one here. All right. I'm going to factor x squared minus 4 factors to x plus 4, x minus 4 over x minus 2. Now I'm going to do times. I'm going to put 3x to the third on top over x minus 4, x plus 2. All right. Now, what cancels? X minus 4s. And it looks like that's the only thing that cancels. So now, what have we got? Well, what's left? We've got 3x to the third times x plus 4 over x minus 2 times x plus 2. All that mess, Weiss? Yeah. So we go to the answer, and the first thing we hit is the fraction bar. Okay, fraction bar first. And we type 3x. I have to go to my little keyboard thing here and hit that A to the B thing, and then hit 3. Then I'm going to hit my right arrow and do the parenthesis and type x plus 4. Now I click the bottom parenthesis and I click x minus 2. And then I click out here because I need another parenthesis, and I do x plus 2. And I got it wrong. Woohoo! What did I do wrong? See, why aren't you guys helping me here? All right. You see x squared minus 4. What am I smoking here with x plus 4x minus 4? All right, look, it's not x plus 4x minus 4. It's x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay. So now, what cancels? Well, now, here we go. Now the x minus 2's cancel. And the x plus 2's cancel. So now your answer should have been this. 3x to the third over x minus 4. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's try this. Nine x plus 72 over x squared plus 10x plus 16. Times, see this is times, a dot means times, right? Times x squared minus 7x minus 18 all over x minus 9. All right, so now factor. And this guy here, what's common to both terms? A 9 is common to both. What's left? X plus 8. On the bottom, what times what makes 16 added together makes 10? X plus 8, x plus 2. Times, what times what makes negative 18 added together makes negative 7? Negative 9 plus 2 over x minus 9. What cancels? X minus 9's. What else? X plus 2's. What else? X plus 8's. What's left? Nine. Boom. Let me do one more. Okay. Six x plus 48 over x squared minus 9x times x squared minus 81 all over x squared plus 17x plus 72. Factor. Okay. What's common to both terms here? 6 is common. What's left? X plus 8. What's common to both terms here? You have an X that's common. What's left in the parentheses? X minus 9 times X plus 9, X minus 9. What times what makes 72? That added together makes 17. 9 times 8 plus 9 plus 8. What cancels? X plus 9s. What else cancels? X plus 8s. Yeah, X plus 8s. What else cancels? X minus 9. What's left? 6 over X. I would type the fraction bar first. Boom, fraction bar. 6, click the bottom. X. Boom, good job. All right. Please go ahead and do your assignment.
I did mine before class. Is it cool if I go?
You did yours before class. Jamari, was that you?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, hold on a second. Let me do this. All right. So a few people seem to be done. All right. So let me say this. Clemen, Michaela, Jamari, Anaya, Sanaya, Troy, Xavion, Blaze, I don't even see you here. Those names that I just called, you guys are good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Sanaya,
Mr. Wise, don't forget to check my grade.
all
I mean,
right. Yes, yes. So, but Deshaun, what about like 5.1.1, the simplify radicals?
I'm gonna do that.
Okay. And like, all right, quiz 6, like you have a bad score on that. So here's what I'll do. I'll go ahead, excuse me, and I will give you your credit for what you've done.
Weiss, I finished the one from last class too that I didn't do.
Michaela, okay. I gotta check that out. That's all right.
Why you just trying to do me a favor? Please.
What's up, Devon?
All right, so I got simplifying radicals, factoring polynomials, simplifying polynomials. Those are the ones I don't know how to do. I left them blank.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna ask you to do. Hold on a second.
And then I ain't finished it, but I got a 92. I don't know if you
Okay.
put that one in either.
Uh,
It's just, I mean, I did it when they were due, but I just didn't do one of them. So I thought I was gonna get like a 92 on there. So I don't know what that's about, but
Okay. You're satisfied with a 92? Rock and
yeah,
roll.
y'all like satisfied with the gym.
Okay. So
Me
here's what
too,
I'm going
Mr.
to tell you.
Weiss. I got like a 90 on mine. So I'm satisfied with that too.
Okay.
Like
Devon,
whatever's in there, Mr. Weiss, I'm satisfied with. Other than the joint you said.
yeah,
I need
the
help. I
joint
need
that
help
I,
with. Well, my bad. Go ahead.
so Devon, if you look in the chat, I just put a link for my YouTube channel. I have uploaded all of the recordings from the classes that teach you how to do the things you
Swear
don't
to
know.
God. Damn.
You click on the videos that go along with the lessons that you don't know how to do. They're all labeled, okay?
All right. I'm gonna watch them jumps and then
You watch them Jones. So that'll help.
And I'm gonna send you. I don't know. I've been doing all of them, so I grade a little bit. Yeah, but I don't know if it's any way I
Look,
could.
do this. When you finish those 3 assignments, email me and I will put your grades in, okay?
Oh, all right, bet.
Bet.
All right, I'm gonna hit you.
You're gonna hit me.
Like I'm gonna hit your email.
Okay.
All right, Weiss.
All right, peace. Okay. Deshaun, just so you know, I haven't forgotten about you.
Mr. Weiss, I'm finished.
Ashton, have a good day. Say no to drugs.
Yeah, I finished, Mr. Wise.
Alan, have a good day. Say no to drugs.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Peace.
Mr. Wise,
Bryce, what?
finished.
Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Joey, did you say you're done?
Yeah.
Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Burn that Steelers hat.
Hope the Browns lose. Bye.
No. It says it's too long.